Good morning, dear learned scholars. As you can see, this advertisement has been published from Rani Lakshmibai Central Agricultural University, Jhansi, Gwalior Road, Jhansi 284003. So, there are many vacancies of controller on deputation basis. Dean Fisheries Science, Dean Veterinary Animal Science, Secretary to Vice Chancellor, Assistant Engineer Civil, Assistant Registrar Legal, Junior Account Officer, Private Secretary, Personal Assistant, Upper Division Clerk, Teaching cum Research Associate, and you can see also the level of pay which will be given according to 7 CPC in the column, and the vacancies reserved for. Now let's talk about the controller. So as you can see, you have to have educational qualification of master's degree with at least 55% marks or equivalent grade from recognized university or institute. Experience required: at least 15 years of experience as assistant professor in grade pay 7,000 and above, with 8 years of service in grade pay 8,000 and above, including associate professor, along with experience in educational administration or comparable experience in research establishment and other institutions of higher education. 15 years of administrative experience, of which 8 years shall be as a deputy controller or an equivalent post. So for different vacancies there are different requirements and eligibility criteria. So I may suggest you to go through the advertisement, and you can find the advertisement in the description of this video. I will give the link, you can download that from there. So you can see the second vacancy is for Dean Fishery Science. Third vacancy is for also Dean Veterinary and Animal Science. Fourth vacancy, Secretary to Vice Chancellor, Assistant Engineer, then Assistant Registrar Legal, then Junior Accounts Officer, then Private Secretary, then Personal Assistant, and then Upper Division Clerk, and then Teaching cum Research Associate, Animal Science. Now you can see here the last date of applying is 16 August 2021. It means that you have to send your application much before 16 August 2021 to the given address. So now let's discuss about how to apply. So as you can see here, before applying you have to be a citizen of India, and separate application must be submitted for each post in the advertisement. So if you are applying more than one post, you have to fill separate forms. Now how to apply? You have to go to the address www.rlbcau.ac.in. I will give this link in the description. Then after downloading the form, fill the form carefully and attach the required documents to it, and send the filled document to the registrar. As you can see here the address, the registrar, Lakshmibai, Rani Lakshmibai Central Agricultural University, Gwalior Road, Jhansi 284003, before the last date, that is 16th of August 2021. Now let's discuss about the application fees. So for general candidates, general OBC candidates, 1000 rupees, and for SC, ST and PWD it is 500 rupees in the form of demand draft. So you have to write in the demand draft, drawn in favor of B, you can see here, drawn in favor of RLBCAU payable at Jhansi. Women do not have to pay the application fee. So if this video is useful for you, do subscribe my channel, because I keep on bringing such type of videos. and also like it. Thank you.